Oxygen Service has been in the automation business for over 20 years. We handle everything from robotic cells to integration, programming. We also handle cutting tables and positioning equipment. We have a number of technicians in the field that can handle just about any application. We've covered customers that go all over the world. Oxygen Service has the technical expertise to meet all of your automation needs.
We have some recommended practices for doing automation right. There are really three things to consider when implementing automation or robotics. First of all, you want consistent and repeatable parts. You want good upfront processes coming in. The forming, cutting, bending. Those processes and how they come together to make an interlocked part and assembly that comes into the robot are very important. Number two, you want to select the right parts to be automated. You want to go for the low-hanging fruit initially and build from there. Select the parts that have higher volume, higher weld content, or that have high labor content. Select a few of those and get really good at those processes first, and then go from there. Number three, you want to select a champion. People running and working on the robot systems have a very high impact on the outcome of the product. You want someone who wants it to succeed. You want someone that maybe enjoys technology, has some computer skills, maybe well-processed skills, and has, most importantly, a can-do attitude. People are the key. When implementing automation, you're going to see certain benefits. Number one, safety. You're going to have better ergonomics in your shop. You're going to see consistent and repeatable, predictable process coming off. You're going to know your cycle times and throughput through the capacity of your machine. A lot of times you're going to see productivity gains of 2, 3, maybe even 4 times. What this does is open up the door to more business in your factory. You're going to also see an improvement in quality. The appearance of the welds, good sidewall fusion, penetration, and the weld size per print. You're also going to see lower manufacturing costs. You're going to reduce post-weld cleanup and overwelding. At OSC, we're integrators and have been doing it for a long time. You want to select a company and integrator that you want to partner with and develop that partnership. Chances are good an integrator such as OSC has already seen a similar application that you've had. We'll be able to develop that application. We probably already know what works and what doesn't work. We'll be able to share that good process knowledge that we have and high technical skills. You want to look behind the curtain and make sure your integrator has those technical skills. Here at OSC, we want to share your vision for more productivity and make that a reality.